Hello friends, in today's lecture of basic physics, we are discussing our chapter electricity, magnetism and semiconductor. In this chapter, today we are going to discuss about electric potential difference. Electric potential difference. So let's know what is meant by electric potential difference, that is also called as PD. PD stands for electric potential difference. So let's see, when there is a beaker and in that beaker two electrodes are immersed in this manner. So here positive charge and here is negative charge. This is called as cathode and this positively charged electrode is called as anode. So there is a strong force of attraction between these two charges. But when this circuit will be closed, so this negative charge will flow in this direction and electric current will flow positive to negative and electrons will be flow from negative terminal to the positive terminals and will discharge to this positive charge. So the force between these two electrodes is called as potential difference. So it can be defined as electric potential difference or voltage between a point A and point B is defined as the amount of work done to move unit positive charge from point A to point B. Point A to point B. How much unit positive charge move from point A to point B. So this is called as the potential difference. So to explain, I would like to draw here a figure. Suppose that this is U2. This is a U-shaped tube and here is a permeable membrane or any tap. This is side A and this is side B and this is a glass U-shaped tube and this tube is filled with water. Side A is filled with water and this tap is closed. So water will try to move towards the side B, but it cannot move because of tap is there. But when I rotate this tap, so what will happen? Water will be moved from side A to side B and both the side will become equal. Then water will stop to flow from side A to side B. So this is also potential. This is also potential. So potential difference can be defined as electric potential or potential difference between point A and B is defined as the amount of work the amount of work done to move unit positive charge from point A to B, point A to point B. So this is the definition of potential difference. So definition is very simple. Electric potential or potential difference between point A and B is defined as the amount of work done to move unit positive charge from point A to point B. So let's see its mathematical expression. Suppose V is a potential difference at electrode A and B. So it can be denoted as VB minus VA is equal to work done at AB. So VB minus VA is equal to potential difference PD. So what is this value? WAB is equal to work done in moving unit positive charge from A to B. So if charge Q is moved from A to B, if charge Q is moved from terminal A to terminal B, I can write here, if the charge Q is moved from A to B, then VAB is equal to WAB, means work done at AB, divided by charge. So we get this equation. So the unit electric potential difference is volt. So the unit of electric potential is volt, and it is denoted by capital V on the honor of Volta. So Volta is the name of scientist. So now we will see some importance formulae for this chapter. So electricity, this chapter is finished. This chapter is finished. So important formula. So first formula for force, F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q1 Q2 upon R square. This is a very important formula to find out electric force. So epsilon 0 is equal to 8.854 into 10 raised to minus 12 coulomb square per Newton meter square. So this is the first important formula. These are the important formulae. Second important formula for this chapter is electric field. Electric field E is equal to F upon Q0 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q upon R square. Its SI unit is Newton per Coulomb. SI unit is Newton per Coulomb. Then third formula, electric field intensity. Electric field intensity. E is equal to V upon D is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q upon D square. Its formula is also, its unit is also Newton per Coulomb. And fourth formula is electric potential. V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon R. Its formula, its unit is volt. So in next lecture we will discuss about some numerics on this chapter. Thank you.